Okay.
One. Hi everyone. In family yoga this morning, we spoke a little bit about anxiety and things that we can do to help ourselves when we might be feeling a little bit anxious. And I wanted to come on to talk about the brain and a really simple way of understanding what's going on in our brain when we might be feeling some really strong emotions. This is the hand model of the brain. This is the work of Dr. Siegal. And we have our spinal cord here, which is represented by our wrist. Our spinal cord runs up into our brainstem, which is here. This part of our hand represents our amygdala, where all our emotions and our survival instincts happen. Up here is the more rational, logical part of the brain that processes all of our decisions and helps us to also process our emotions. When we are feeling calm, connected, able to regulate ourselves and respond to situations, this is what our brain looks like. Everything is tuned in. However, sometimes our really strong emotions might make us feel like we're about to flip our lid. And this is what happens. We might feel out of control and we might find it very difficult to explain what's happening using our words. So, this is when we're calm, connected, able to tune in, able to regulate. We might feel like we are about to flip our lid and our brain becomes a little bit more disconnected. However, there are some simple practices that we can take to tune back in, either to ourselves or with our children, alongside our children. One of those methods is using a calm glitter jar, which I had with me in class this morning. When we shake our jar, we can see what happens in our swirling mind with lots of thoughts, feelings and emotions going on. We can see all of those spiralling around. However, if we take some deep breaths and we spend a few moments looking at all of the glitter settling at the bottom of the jar, we can see that it settles at the bottom. We can see that if we give ourselves a few moments of calming down time, a few moments of re-regulation, whether that's with deep breathing, breathing with your child, breathing on your own, hand on your belly, hand on your heart, all of the glitter starts to come back down. And this glitter jar can also be a really lovely crafts activity for you to make with your child at home. All you need is a jar of any size. It might be a plastic jar, it might be a glass jar. You fill it with about a third full of warm water. You then add some clear glue to it, and you then add a couple of teaspoons of loose glitter. Okay, you can then fill the rest of the jar back up with water. Give it a shake, make sure that everything's mixed up all together, and you can use this as a lovely calming activity at home, or maybe something that your child takes when they're feeling like they're about to flip their lid. They can come in, give the jar a shake, and simply watch it settle. I hope that's useful, everybody. Thank you.